today a lava lamp. And here are the ingredients. Citric acid.
Wait. Citric acid.
Citric acid, yeah.
Yeah.
We need soda.
Yeah. Sodium. Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Yeah. We need water right here.
Yes.
There you know. And in here is oil. And just some red coloring. Nothing told about it, really. So then, we are going to put a cup of water first inside this cup.
And then?
We would put some red coloring. Yeah? Only, let's say 2 drops?
Maybe more.
Yeah, let's put more than 2 drops. Because this is a big one.
Maybe 10 drops.
You can see it's forming up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, I'm just going to put it here.
Yeah.
We need 1 spoonful of citric acid.
Yes, citric acid.
It's not dangerous at all. Okay? Okay. And then we'll put it in.
Bit more, maybe.
Yeah, maybe a bit more.
1 spoonful. Yeah. And
Yeah.
then?
And then I'll stir it.
And how long are you going to stir?
Maybe about 20 seconds.
Till the citric acid disappears, yeah?
Yeah,
dissolves.
This dissolves.
Dissolves. Has it dissolved or not? No. It needs a
Okay.
bit more.
We need to keep on stirring.
Oh, I think it's good. Or maybe a bit more.
Okay.
Looks good, looks good. What comes next?
We need some. We need the oil now.
Okay.
It's like one of the most fascinating parts.
Why?
Because if you see, it actually sits on top.
Wow, it does. That looks cool.
Yeah, epic, huh? And then, are you ready for the grand finale of
What?
the soda? Because this is the main thing what would make it work. You need all of these ingredients.
Okay. Can you open it?
I think so.
Yeah,
Okay,
you
I
do.
opened it.
And a spoonful of soda.
So it's probably going to be 2 minis.
Put plenty, yeah? Wow. Let's see. Let's watch the magic.
Yeah, you can see it starting.
Yeah,
Epic, huh?
very cool.
See? Fascinating, huh?
It is.
It's the gas. Shall we?
No, not yet.
Actually, let's just look at that. So fascinating, huh? You can see at the bottom there's some like, it looks like foam at the same time bubbles. But you can see it is bubbles and there's gas inside going all the way up. Plus some water. Because the rat is water and it's going through the oil and bubbles. Very cool. Oh my god, there's a big one there. There was a big one. There's still some coming down. And then they'll just go back up. So cool. Isn't it? They can't mix because... Should I tell you why it's oil right at the top?
Alright.
Because oil is lighter than water. Very cool. Now this, how you make a lava lamp.